This is the train journey almost every traveller dreams about. Kandy-to-Ella, through tea country, misty mountains, waterfalls, and tiny railway stations. But in 2026, the journey has changed. The famous route is not yet operating from Kandy-to-Ella as one continuous train ride. So before you buy a ticket, here is the honest way to plan it now. Cyclone Ditwah caused severe damage across Sri Lanka's upcountry railway in late 2025. Landslides and washouts affected many sections between Kandy and Badulla. Repair work has continued, but at the time this video was produced, the complete Kandy-to-Ella railway journey had not returned. Never plan your holiday using an old timetable or an old travel video. Limited trains have reportedly returned on the restored section between Nanu Oya and Badulla, travelling through Ella. Services can still change because of repairs, weather and operating conditions. Check directly with Sri Lanka Railways shortly before travelling and confirm again on the day. If the train is not running, use a registered car, van or bus and keep your itinerary flexible. A practical journey begins in Kandy, then continues by road into the Central Highlands. Instead of rushing directly to Ella, consider stopping around Ramboda and Nuwara Eliya. Ramboda falls drops through a green mountain valley, while tea estates and cool mist make this part of Sri Lanka feel completely different from the coast. From Nanu Oya, or another station confirmed by Sri Lanka Railways, you may be able to join the operating hill country section toward Ella and Badulla. This shorter train ride can still deliver the atmosphere travellers love: old carriages, green slopes, small platforms and slow movement through the hills. The exact starting station may change, so confirmation matters more than any fixed online schedule. For tickets, use the official Sri Lanka Railways reservation service or purchase from an official station counter. Avoid unofficial sellers promising guaranteed seats. Keep your passport details ready, arrive early, and carry water and a light jacket. Reserved second or third class is usually comfortable for enjoying the scenery, but availability depends on the service operating that day. Please enjoy the view safely. Do not hang outside a moving train or stand dangerously in an open doorway for a photograph. Follow railway staff instructions, keep your bags secure and respect local passengers who use these trains for everyday travel. A beautiful video is never worth an injury. The Kandy-to-Ella journey is not gone. It is recovering. For now, travel by road through part of the Highlands. Use the restored train section only when officially confirmed, and allow extra time. Save this guide for your Sri Lanka trip, and comment below. Would you wait for the complete railway to reopen or explore the shorter route now?